It's day 4 of Ice Cream Week. I know, you're all so excited. And today is still a delicious infusion of fruit and herbs. It's all about lemon thyme ice cream. I love anything lemon, especially in the summer, because you get that fresh citrus kick. Lemons are always delicious and they just lighten anything you're having. Even if it's kind of like a really fattening ice cream, which is totally worth it. To get started, this ice cream is like all my other ones because it's my favorite base recipe to use. In a 4-quart kettle, pour your whole milk, your heavy cream. Don't talk to me about the fat content, they are totally worth it. Some sugar, a little bit of corn syrup. No, it is not high fructose corn syrup. I see you wondering about that. It's not, it's just corn syrup and it's needed. A little bit of salt, and then just whisk that together till it's smooth, put it on the stove over medium heat. While that's warming up, you can just get ready your slurry. A little bit of milk, and clear gel, which is also called Mira-Cleer, or cornstarch. I like clear gel and Mira-Cleer. It's just better and you get a better result in the end. Stir that together until it's smooth, set it by the stove. Once your ice cream base has come to a boil, don't be scared to let it boil. You're using high-fat liquids, so boiling will not curdle them. Pull it off the heat and then slowly stir in your slurry. Once it's all stirred in and you've whisked it together, put it back on the heat and let it boil throughout. That's gonna activate all the thickener, so you need to make sure you do it. Once it's boiling, pull it off the heat and then just flavor it up. I know, ice cream really is easy. Yeah, you're gonna make it every day like I do. Seriously. A little bit of lemon oil. This is, again, just a way to drive home that lemon flavor. You don't wanna do too much because it can have an off flavor, but just a little bit really amps up the lemon flavor. Some vanilla. All my ice creams have a little bit of vanilla. I just really think it's needed to make sure you know it's an ice cream. Some lemon zest, because you want that fresh punch of lemon in there, believe me. Whisk that together and then add in your thyme. I'm just using fresh thyme from the garden. It adds a hint of just flavor to it, a little bit of herbal notes, nothing too strong, but lemon and thyme go so well together. Think of how many drinks you have had probably that have a little bit of thyme in them. Okay, maybe not that many, but there's some really good cocktails or like a lemon thyme lemonade. Totally good. After it's steeped for about 20 minutes, you can just pull those sprigs of thyme right out. Put it into a container that can go into the fridge and then chill it for at least 8 hours. Any of the countertop models that use a canister that goes in the freezer to make ice cream, you need to make sure the base is really well chilled. After the base is completely chilled, you can pull it out of the fridge and start churning. Make sure to follow your instructions that go with your ice cream maker. Mine, I just pour the base into, put the paddle in, and then let it churn. After about 20-25 minutes, I have a delicious soft serve style ice cream. To make it harder, you need to put it back into the container and then let it freeze for another about 4 hours. Either way, it's good. Eat it now or eat it later, or just eat it both because, you know, homemade ice cream, so good. Once it is firmed up, serve it. I mean, it's probably gonna go really fast because it's so good. Refreshing, yet still that delicious creamy ice cream with a hint of thyme. No one is gonna be complaining about this. If you agree, make sure to check out wiseguide.com because there are so many more recipes on there. For this recipe, go to the description box below. And make sure to check back because tomorrow is the final day of Ice Cream Week 2019 and it's totally worth the visit.